In today's video, I'll teach you how to sign in OnePay account. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in this link web.onepay.com. Press enter. Now you'll be led to the login interface of OnePay. From here you'll be able to log in to your account. What you have to do is simply enter your phone number or email over here. If you want to log in with your phone number, click on the field of mobile number. Now what you have to do is enter your mobile number over here. After you do that, click on the next option that you can see on the screen. A confirmation code will be sent to your SMS. All you have to do is enter that confirmation code and you'll be able to log in to your account. Likewise, you can also sign in with your email if you want. Click on this option, sign in with your email. Now you can see over here you'll be able to sign in with your email. Click on the field of email. Now what you have to do is provide a valid email address over here. After you do that, click on the next option that you can see on the screen. A confirmation code will be sent to your email address. Simply enter that confirmation code in another interface and you'll be logged into your account. So like this, you'll be able to log into your account. So that is how you sign in OnePay account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.